Hello guys, today we will make a simple program that swap value between two registers. Okay, so this is the same program that you wrote in C. You should have wrote in C, which swap values between two variables. So here there are two registers. Okay, so we'll swap values between them. So first we have to write our code onto a emu8086 emulator. Okay, so now we write our code. First we say whatever it is in X register, move it to a temporary register CX, then move BX register value to X. Now we can finally use BX register again, and then the value which CX had, we just put it there. Okay, so basically it swaps the value between two registers. Okay, so you emulate it and you give any value to these two registers. Okay, 0 to 04. I'm giving these simple values because these are hexadecimal values. Okay, so if we get some complex values, it will be hard to keep track of our program. Okay, so now we execute our program. Okay, single step. Okay, so now you see our both registers. One more step, you see the values are swapped. We first gave the value 02 to X, but now it is swapped between these two registers. Okay, and one more step. Okay, emulate, run. Okay, emulate and okay, 02 and 04. Okay, and run. Okay, so you have to put halt in there. Okay, that was a mistake, otherwise your program will not terminate easily. Okay, so again 02 and then 04. Okay, and now we run the program, and you see this is where our program ends. Okay, so now we go to our emulator. Okay, so you remember the three steps. Okay, all right. First is put our value into the registers, second is write code, and third is execute code. So there are three main steps to any program. Okay, first we go to examine register. Okay, and we put any values to. Okay, there is 02. Okay, I put there 05. Okay, and then on to the next register. Okay, there is 03. Okay, so now these two values will be swapped between each other. Okay, so we don't need to put any value to CX because this is a temporary register, so it will be used in the program. Okay, now we go back using the start. Okay, and now we execute our program. Okay, we go to 100 byte, we start putting our instructions. Okay, to start writing instructions, you put this, you press this comma button. Okay, so now if you see here what are our instructions in order. Okay, add P, C add P, C3. So we have to write all the instruction up to F4. Okay, so first was add B, second was C H, third was add B, and next was C3. Okay, so I'm writing these in the same order. Okay, C3, so I type C3, then add B, then D9, then F4. Okay, F4. Okay, so you see our program has ended there. Okay, so now we put this value into the memory, and then we go back, and the third step was to execute our program. We go to ST, okay, segment offset data, and from the same memory location where we put our program, we start executing it. Okay, so all the way up to the address where your last instruction was. Okay, so this is our last instruction, F4. We execute it, and now we go back and check our results. Okay, so examine register AX, you see 0003 and 005. So values have successfully been swapped. Okay, all right guys, this is it for today. I'll see you soon.